With the all-new wireless solution from ADECIA, your online meetings just got more flexible than ever. It's fast and easy to set up and monitor, giving you more options for better conferencing. With outstanding running time and an easy-to-use docking station for fast charging, the ADECIA Wireless Solution ticks all the boxes for all types of online conferencing. You can integrate the ADECIA Wireless Solution into any environment, from boardrooms to classrooms, also facilitating hybrid learning. But all you have to remember is that great wireless online audio is just a click away. ADECIA.